Gray code. The next one, gray code. So what is the gray code? In previous class, we discussed some code with examples. In that gray code, where we used gray code representation. Gray code is a weighted code or non-weighted code?
Non-weighted.
Yeah, gray code is a non-weighted code. And it is a reflective code also, right? So under reflective code, we will discuss this gray code, right? Yes or no? So the gray code is also called as reflected code. The gray code is also called as reflected code. Gray code is nothing but, it is a weighted code, sorry, non-weighted code. Gray code is a non-weighted code. Gray code is a non-weighted code. Okay, and it is also called as a reflected code. It is also called as reflected code. So gray code is a non-weighted code and it is also called as a reflected code. And here gray code is also a special case of unit distance code. So gray code is a special case of unit distance code. Unit distance code. So gray code is nothing but it is a non-weighted code. It is also called as a reflected code. So gray code is in a special case. It is also called as a unit distance code. It is also called as a unit distance code. So this is the introduction about gray code representation. So gray code is a non-weighted code and it is special. It is also called as a reflected code and it is a special case of unit distance code. Okay, so what is a unit distance code means? What is a unit distance code means? The bit pattern for two consecutive numbers. What is a unit distance code means? The bit patterns for two consecutive numbers, differ in only one bit position. Only one bit position. Okay, that is a unit distance code. I will explain what is this unit distance code meaning means. I will explain in a gray code table. So unit distance code means the bit patterns for two consecutive numbers differs only in one bit position. So that is the unit distance code. Okay, so these codes are also called as cyclic codes. So these codes are also called as cyclic codes. These codes are also called as cyclic codes. So gray code is a non-weighted code. It is also called as a reflected code. It is a special case of unit distance code. Unit distance code means the bit patterns for two consecutive numbers differ in only one bit position. So these codes are represented as called as cyclic codes. Okay. Then the next one, decimal code and its equivalent. gray code representation. So before going to discuss this, what is the exclusive OR operation? What is the exclusive OR operation? Anyone? Already we discussed the exclusive OR operator in C language. Values are same, the output will be 0. Okay. If both values are same, the output will be 0. In remaining cases, the output will be 1. Okay. In both cases, the input is 0 means the output will be 0. Here also both the values are same. That's why here 0. Here both the values are same. That's why here output will be 0. Exclusive OR means if the two inputs are same, the output will be 0. If any one of the input is 1, the output will be 1. Is it clear? So this is the exclusive OR operator. Exclusive OR operator means if two inputs are same, the output will be 0. If the two inputs are same, the output will be 0. If any one of the input is 1, automatically the output is 1. Is it clear? So this is the exclusive OR operator. So why I am telling this one means in this decimal code to gray code conversion, must and should we are using exclusive OR operation. Exclusive OR operation. So here the decimal code values here we can write from 0 to 15. From 0 to 15, what are these decimal values? You can equivalent to gray code representation. How you can write the gray code representation? So here 0 means the decimal code 0, gray code also 0, 0, 0, 0. 1. So 1 means here also 0, 0, 0, 1. Next 2. So 2 means 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. 3 means 0, 0, 1, 0. Like this we are writing this value. So how you will get these values means, so for decimal code value, convert into BCD first. 0 means 0, 0, 0, right? Yes or no? 0, 0, 0. Yeah. So then this decimal value will be converted into binary, that is 0, 0, 0 by 4 bits representation. So first, whatever the first bit is there, so same as it is you can write first. And next, you can apply between these two, apply exclusive OR operation. So 0 exclusive OR 0. Next, this one, 0 exclusive OR 0, 0. 0 exclusive OR 0. 0 exclusive 0, 0. That's why here we got the value 0, 0, 0, right? And the next one is, you can take, for example, 3. So 3 value representation, 0, 0, 1, right? Bit. Okay. Next, apply exclusive OR operation. 0 exclusive OR 0, 0. 0 exclusive OR 1, 1. 1 exclusive OR 1, 0. 0, 0, 1, 0, right? Next, 4. What is the 4 value? 0, 1, 0, 0. Yes. So first same bit as it is, you can write it 0. Apply exclusive OR operation between these two bits. That means 0 exclusive 1, 1. 1 exclusive 0, 1. 0 exclusive 0, 0. 0, 0, 1, 0. Whereas 5, you can in that 0, 1, 1.
0,
1.
0, 1. 0, 1, 1, 1.
0, 1, 1, right?
0, 1, 1, yes, ma'am.
6.
0, 1, 0, 1.
Yeah, 7.
0, 1, 0, 0.
0, 1, 0, 0. So remaining values you can write it 8 to 15. 8 means normal value 100, right? So for 100, you can apply this exclusive OR operator between that bits. Then what is the 8 value?
1100.
Yeah, very good. 1100. 9. 1 second. I write here 8 value. 8 means 1100. 9.
1101.
1101.
Yeah, very good. 10. 10.
4 ones, ma'am.
Yeah, 4 ones. 11. 11. 11 value.
1110.
Yeah, very good. 1110. 12. 12.
1011.
Malli, again you can cross check the value. 12.
1010.
Yeah, 1010. 13.
1011, ma'am.
Yeah, 1011. 14.
1001.
1001. Very good. 1001. 15.
0, ma'am. 1000.
Yeah, very good. 100. So by this way, we will convert decimal to gray code conversion. Is it clear how you will convert the decimal to gray code conversion? So first, you can write this equivalent binary digit values, and later you can be apply exclusive OR operator between that binary values. Then finally you will get gray code representation values. Okay, observe in this gray code representation values. Here, any two adjacent bits can differ only 1 bit position. So here you can observe this code. Adjacent bits, any two adjacent code groups differ only in 1 bit position. So see here, these 3 values are same, but here only it will differ this bit position from 0 to 1. Is it clear what I am saying? And observe these 2 adjacent codes. Here these 2 values, this one value is the same. Here it will be differ from 0 to 1. Yes, and observe these 2 adjacent groups. It will differ only this bit position only. Observe these 2 bit groups. It will differ only this position only. Is it clear or not what I am saying here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is a unit distance code. So why this gray code is called as unit distance code means, what is a unit distance code definition? Bit patterns for 2 consecutive numbers differ in only 1 bit position. It will differ only 1 bit position. Either you can take these 2 adjacent groups, it will be changed only these 2 bit positions only. That means 0 to 1. And observe these 2 values, it will differ only this bit position. Is it clear? So that's why it is called as a unit distance code. So unit distance code is nothing but bit patterns for 2 consecutive numbers differ in only 1 bit position. Is it clear? The next one. So what? One more thing we discussed now. Gray code is also called as a reflective code. Gray code is also called as a reflective code. So observe these from 0 to 7 values. So observe these 0 to 7 values and 18 to 15 values. Or you can find out any difference between these 2 sets of values. Observe 0 to 7 values and 8 to 15 values. You can find out, can you find out any difference between them?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్ 1 ని రివర్స్ చేస్తే 15 వచ్చింది మ్యామ్.
This is the 7 value, right? So 7 mirror image is nothing but 8. So here instead of 0 it can place 1, right? Mirror image, mirror image. So 7 it is reflective. So 7 2 6 5 4 3 2 1 0. Here these values are 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So these 3 bits are same, but the 08 bit will be changed to 1. Observed clearly? Yes or no? 1
Yes, ma'am.
1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0. Next 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. Is it clear? That is the reflective code. That is the reflective code. So from 0 to 7 values we can reflect. That values will come under 8 to 15 values. So in place of this 08th bit position, we can place here ones only. Is it clear? So that is a reflective code property. So that's why here we called as a reflective code. Gray code is called as a reflective code. Do you have any doubts regarding gray code and accessory code?
మ్యామ్ 2 ని రివర్స్ చేస్తే గానీ 8 వస్తుంది కదా మ్యామ్. 2 మిర్రర్ ఇమేజ్ కూడా.
అది not correct way. So this is the reflective means. So from 17 to 0 values we can reflect here from 8 to 15. Instead of 0 value we can place 1 values here. 2 ni that is not proper way. Why? Because here reflective mirror image antunar. What is a mirror image? You know that mirror image. So here 0 to 7 values mean this will be reflected again. That is 8 to 15 values. Here we can take the values from bottom to top, and here that values will be coming under top to bottom. This way we can take the sequences. So 0 1 0 0 means 1 1 1 0 0. Here 0 1 0 1 means 1 1 0 1. 0 1 1 1 means 1 1 1. This is a reflective. That means 1 1 0 means 1 1 0. So instead of 0, there we can place ones, and these values as it is from 7 to 0. Here 8 to 15, those values are coming. Is it clear? Only the first bit will change from 0 to 1. Remaining values are same, but here the values are taken from bottom to top, and 8 to 15 values are top to bottom, these values. So in next class we discuss gray code conversions. That is how to convert from binary to gray code, and how to convert gray code to binary conversions.